Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm jumping right into the video. I have somebody that asked me to do my bedroom in purple and I'm so glad that my subscriber asked me to do so. As you can see guys, I have my bedroom in purple. It's a purple fall and I really love how everything turns out. Guys, as you know, we are officially in fall. I'm going to redo my bedroom, remove the wall decor and put new things. But before I do so, I wanted to please her decorate my bedroom in purple just to show you how everything turns out. I'm a hold on till I can't let go. Guys, I'll try my best to leave everything that I use in the description box. If you have something that you like, interests you, so you may check them out. And guys, as you can see, the flowers are beautiful. I get them from Amazon. In the vase, I already had them home. I just removed the old flower that I had and I put this new one. And guys, this is exact same decor that I have from months ago, so I'm about to change it right now, as I said before. But before, I just enjoying the purple. Those beautiful flowers on the tree, I got them some times ago. I don't remember where I get them, but I get them for a very long time. And the tray from Home Goods, the pumpkin from Burlington, and the vase from Burlington as well, the candle, the toe blanket, the black toe pillows from Home Goods, and the purple ones from Amazon. Guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. I really love to use plant throughout my home. Some people doesn't like plant in the room, but me, I love it. So I have two different decor. One does have plant and one doesn't have it. So guys, let me know which one you like better. Okay, so make sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know which one you like better, because I used two different bedding. And I remove some of the stuff and I add some of the stuff, so you be the judge. Let me know which one you like better. Okay guys, so I'm going to let you enjoy the video, so make sure to come back to see how I'm going to redo my bedroom for the fall season, fall to Christmas. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. For the style number 2 guys, I used the full bedding purple. So I didn't want to use the white sheet, but I think this one looked better in my eyes. So let me know, what do you think, if you like the first bedding or this one.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? It was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.